job, boys. Woo!
Let's go, Bolts!
Thank you.
Woo! Let's go! Let's go, Mason! Let's go, Bolts!
Unlucky, Tristan. Come on, boys.
Come on, Nicholas! Let's go, Nicholas! Wide!
Man!
Come on, Anthony! Make that turn!
Nice. Don't lose it.
Don't lose it!
Force the ball, Jack. Nice, Nicholas. Get it. Nice, Nick.
Well done, Aiden!
Good job, Aiden. Come on. Nice, Aiden.
Deal with it early, boys! Early!
Where's that?
Early!
Oh, nice try.
Tristan! Good pressure, boys! Keep it up! Keep it up, boys!
Mateo.
First to it! First to it! Well done, boys! Well done!
Good job, Mateo.
Good job, Mateo!
Nice, Anthony.
Come on, Nathan!
Pardon me.
Good crossing!
Nice, Mateo.
It.
Oh, unlucky.
Come on, Anthony! Come on,
Yes, Tristan.
Wide! Wide!
Woo, stopped it. Nice, come on, boys.
Come on again, Jack! That's it! You're not gonna make it easy. Come on, let's go. Thomas. Come on,
Don't lose it, don't lose it.
and Anthony. And
Take it.
Right balls, well done. Well done, boys. It's coming. I can feel it. Face that balls. Nathan, no, that's over now. Now, Nathan. I love it how they're pressuring it. I love it. Keep it up, boys. Well done, boys. Keep it up, boys. On it, you'll have it. Keep it up.
Know where they're going. Stay with your man.
Let's go, Nacho. You got this, Nicholas. You got this, Tristan. Anthony, you got this. Come on, guys. Back in there, man on. Come on, guys.
Man! Man! Come on! Yes, Thomas!
Well done, Thomas. Come on, Nathan.
Come on! Yes, I go! Oh!
Oh, my God.
Man!
Come on, Tristan. There.
Oh. Oh no.
Come on, now, Nicholas. First to that ball, second touch. Move that ball, pass it.
Good job, Anthony. Good job.
Simple, relax.
No. Good job. Nice.
Come on, be first to that ball.
Easy,
Nathan.
easy. Lose him! Aremu, lose him! Thank you. Easy, boys. Cross. Okay.
Good job, boy. Coming, keep it up there. Get the ball and run out. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go. Come on, Anthony. Come on.
Oh! Come on, Aiden! Run, Aiden! Yes, Nacho!
Come on, Nathan. First to the ball, Nathan.
Yep. Oh, come it up. Out.
Come on, Nathan, man.
Almost 10 minutes in, I've spent 45 seconds down here.
Yeah.
Come on, Bulls. You got this. Win that ball back. Win it back.
Nice.
There we go.
Easy, easy, easy.
Move that ball.
Easy. Oh.
What did he do? Oh. That's okay. Win that ball back. Come on. Get to it. Get it
Anthony need to get the man out. Corner, good job. Good job, Anthony.
My boy's gonna be all over that video. My gosh. Come on.
Ooh. Oh, nice try.
Come on, you guys gotta head it in where the goalkeeper is not.
Good job, Nacho. Nice. First ball.
Come on, Nathan and Anthony.
Nice. Nice. Back.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta go back to go forward. Come on. Mason.
Why stop?
Come on, Mason.
Oh gosh. Run, Mateo, get the ball. Nice.
Mateo can handle it. Don't worry. Well done, Mateo. Come on, Anthony. Come on, Anthony. Come on, Nathan.
Now go. Oh no. It's okay. Nice try.
Great idea, boys. It's okay.
Nice, Mateo.
Mateo. Come on, Nick. Go wide. Come on, Nick.
Yep. Oh no! Ovid! Yes, Mason, fight! Thank you, Thomas.
Yeah, it was like a mishit. It was a mishit.
Nice. Oh, it's okay.
It's 10 minutes. We got this, boys.
Come on, Nathan.
Come on. Well done, Nathan.
Thank you.
Let's go, boys.
We got this, boys.
This is the 50-yard lines. So, yeah, it's Canadian football. This is like a 50-yard line.
Yeah. What does it mark there? Queens. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's limits, right? This is probably this has to be on
Thomas is probably wet, so wipe it off. Get ready, Mateo. Get ready, Anthony.
I just look at the standings and I don't think it's that good.
Cut him off! Down! Go! That's it, go! Go! Nice! Good job, Anthony. Come on, Nicholas. Yes, Tomas. Man! Whoa! What's wrong with them?
Leandro. Way to go, Leandro. Way to go, Leandro. Come on, Tristan. Come on, Nick. Come on. Let's go, Bolts. Still have my brolly up. Who's there?
Yes, Nathan!
Now.
Ooh.
What? How is it theirs? How can it be theirs? I don't understand. Well done, boys. Let's go, Red. Let's get loose. Move around. Let's go, kick it. It's okay. It's gonna be a long ball, boys. Let's face that ball and win it. Come press, press, press. Squeeze it in there. Come on, you can't pass all of you guys like that.
Nacho, run!
Shut him down, no fouls. Mark somebody up, boys. A red to a yellow. Let's go. It's not coming. Let's go, boys. Mark somebody up and get that out early. Deal with that out early.
Yes, Leandro!
Nice, Leandro. Let's go, Red.
Man! Come on! Second ball!
Let's go, Nathan. Slow it down.
Stop distracting them into the freaking whistle!
Stop your damn whistling over there.
I can do it back if you guys want.
Yeah, you can do it back. Yeah, we can whistle too. We're gonna whistle when they have the ball their end.
If they score, maybe we give it back to them.
Nacho!
Come on now!
Yes! Woo! Go, Nathan! Woo! Yes! Go,
That's it! Let's go!
This is something else. Come on, boys! Long ball, Leandro! Yes, Mateo, man! Man, Aiden! Anthony, Leandro, Mateo, good! Now! Ooh! Nice, Anthony! Wards!
It's okay. Come on, guys, get to it first. That's okay. Relax, get to it. Let's whistle. Bring it up. Now, Tristan.
Who is there?
Come on now, Tristan.
Yes!
Man, there we go. Good ball.
Don't lose your mark.
No turn, Mateo.
Good turn.
Nice. Out, out, out. Thank you.
Keep it up, boys. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Mateo. Is that ball wet?
Nacho!
That ball right there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rab. All right, let's go.
Dylan, keep your mark.
Okay, back it up.
Michael and Jackson.
Need to wipe the ball off. Nacho, is it wet? Okay, guys, get ready for another one. Come on.
Aiden!
Let's go. Let's go, Nathan.
Nice, Mateo. Where's that again? Talk! Slam it. Nice, Thomas. Nice. Man! Oh. Man! Oh, it's okay. Yes, Jack. It's okay. It's out. It's okay. Good job, Nicholas. Ani, Mateo. Good job, Mateo. Fast to it. Leandro's spot. Nice. Nice. Who is there? Woo, good job, Nacho. Don't lose it. Out. Oh. Come on, Anthony. Oh. Shake it off, shake it off. Let's go.
Unlucky, Anthony. All right, now you're good.
Nice. I did not run. Man. Thomas. Cut him off. Nice, Thomas. Get it out. Nice. Oh, gosh. No, don't let him. Go! Good job, Nathan. Very intense, love. Whoa.
It's amazing.
Very.
Right?
Yeah. Woohoo! Mwah.
Whoa! They're doing so good. We're such proud mamas.
Yes. You heard it.
You heard it here. Listening to you. No one's listening.
We're jealous, eh? I'm the jealous one today.
Yeah, right. Okay. Yeah. All right, love. Let's go!
Keep up that intensity. Let's go.
Let's go, boys! Let's go, Bolts!
Okay, that was a warm up. Let's go. Press right away, right away. We're dealing with that early, right away. Right away.
Yeah.
Come on, right away. Right
Okay. Oh, yellow? Okay.
That's okay. Just win it back. No foul, just win it back. long ball. Let's get ready to get that ball. Press. Come on.
Yes, Aiden. Nice, Aiden.
Send him.
Send it.
Keep it.
Come on, Anthony. Where's Anthony?
Nice. Go, Mateo.
You can take him,
Keep it in,
Mateo.
keep it in.
Keep him there, Mateo.
That's it. Come on, don't let him out.
Keep him there.
Yes, Tomas.
Come on, Thomas.
Woo. Yes.
Hit
Come
it,
on,
Jack.
Jack.
Oh, no. Nice try.
Nice try, Jack. Keep him there. Win it back. That's you, Nacho.
Nice.
Come on. Nicola, that's your ball.
Leandro's ball now.
Come on, that was your ball, Nick.
Yep. Good. Yeah, this way. I'm going this way.
Come
Thanks,
on,
Jen.
guys. Come on.
Come on! Come on, boys! Good job, Mateo! Nathan, man! Send it! Go in! Oh, God. Oh, oh,
You need to pass that ball, Nathan.
oh. Man! Oh, you worked hard for this and nice. Oh no!
Come on, Nick. You gotta relax, boys. Come on. And pass the ball. Go to that ball, boys. Go to that ball.
Nice, Jack. Oh, man! Back to Thomas. Nice.
Well done, Thomas.
Don't keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it.
He was holding it, Brad. Go foul.
Oh no! Come on, Aiden. Oh gosh! Good job. Oh no! Oh. Tristan, don't forget your man behind you. He's coming here. Good job, Thomas. Nice, Thomas. Nice, Thomas. Good job, boys. Nathan, no. Good job. Nice. Oh, don't keep it. Easy, easy, easy. Come on, Nathan. Oh no. Corner. Oh, isn't he? Well done, Nick. Welcome aboard at the McKees.
Let's go, Marquise. Well done, Nick. Let's go, Marquise. Let's go, Marquise. Ready to rumble. Let it go. It's out. The ball was out.
That's it. Go, Aiden.
Go, Tristan! Oh, no. Good ball, Anthony. Unlucky.
Okay, relax, boys. Relax.
That's it, Anthony. Stay with them.
Yes, Tristan! Out, out. It's okay. That ball. Linesman, can they be blowing that whistle to distract? Get it out! Good job! Get it, Tristan! Come on, Mason! Thomas! Good job, Thomas! Good job, Thomas!
U14 going hell and Waterloo. Just finals or semis? Last game of the year. Oh shit, I got semis after this one, you know? Shooting good ones. So have a good one, buddy. Have a good one. You too.
Man, 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 man!
Nice ball.
Go, go, go! Oh! Yes! Woo! 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 Boys! Good job, boys! Yes, guys! Woo! Go, 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 Leandro! Yes!
Let's go, Red. Let's go, Red.
First to the ball, boys.
Nice! Come on, Nathan! Nice! Nice, Tristan, go! Too much? Nice!
Yo, it's not the main stadium. We're playing on that hill.
Nice! Come on, Aiden! Get the ball back! Marcus! Yes! Oh, that's fine. Let's go, boys!
Let's go, Red. Mark somebody up, Red. Let's go.
Marquise, your ball! Go, Nathan! Anthony, run! Go! Go! Oh! No. Okay, good. It's okay. Good job, Nathan! Welcome, Luke! Let's go! Good Good job, boys.
Let's go, Luke. Well done, Nathan.
Yes, Leandro.
You got this, Red. We've got more, Red. That's it.
Yep.
Go, Luke. Come on, Anthony. Go, Anthony.
Oh, it's okay. Good job, boys.
Well done, Anthony. Well good. Let's go, guys. Corner. Let's go, Luke. Let's go, Marquise. Let's go, Tristan. Let's go, Jack. Keep moving, boys. Keep dancing, boys. Keep dancing.
Oh, nice try.
That's it, boys.
It's okay. Let's go.
Yeah. Way to go, not real connection there, right?
Come on, boys. Face the ball.
That ball with it.
I mean, face the ball, not face the ball. Oops.
Let's go short. Press up, guys. That's it, Luke. You got it, Luke.
Yes, Jack. Nice. Who is there? Come on. Mateo, come on.
Go, Mateo.
Yes, Nacho.
Nacho.
Okay, red ball. Well done, Anthony.
Way to go, Anthony.
Welcome, Simone.
Go, Simone. Go, Simone. Welcome, Anthony. That's it. Go.
That's it, go.
Awesome.
Yes, Marquise. Ooh.
Way to go, Luke. Way to be tough.
Let's go, Luke. Come on, Luke. Yes, Mateo.
Okay, guys. Come on. Settle, Red. Relax, Red. Let's go. Let's play our game.
Boys, come on. Come on. Yes, Tomas. Get that ball, Leandro. Nice, Leandro. Marquise, push.
Stay with it, Marquise.
That's it, Marquise. Yes, Eddie, man. Good job, boys. Nice, Tristan. Look. Oh, offside. Luke was offside. Oh, he was. Yeah, he was offside. Just a little bit. Yeah. Oh, it's all right, Luke.
Okay, guys.
Come on, boys.
Okay. That's it. Let's go.
Oh, come on. Let's go, Bolts.
We got this, Balls. Let's go.
Oh.
Just win that back. No foul, win it back.
Yes, Jack. Marquise. Mateo. Nice. Come on. Thank you, Tomas. Let's go, Jack. Nice. Look, look, look. He's coming here, Mason. Come on, Mateo. Nice. Marquise, come on, get that ball. Guys. Yes, Mateo. Go, Simone. Come on, Simone. Yes, Marquise. Go. Go, Marquise. Look. Look. Oh, don't stop, look. It's okay. Oh, good job, boys. Come on. Oh, it seems Thomas is hurt. Thomas. Yeah, good job, Thomas. Clap, clap, clap. Woo, woo, woo. Good job, Thomas. Welcome, Jonathan. Let's go, Jonathan. Let's go, boys. Come on. Come on, Red. Come on, Red. Nice, Simone. It's all right, Simone. It's okay.
Number 9 is open. Watch number 9 at the back there.
Get it out. Get it out. Run. Out. Thank you. Woo.
Go, Jonathan. That's it.
Okay. It's double. It's double. Mason, your ball. Nice. Get it out. Come on, boys.
Come on, Red. Let's clear it, Red. Clear it from that side.
Oh, the push. Is he okay?
Come on, Jonathan.
Get it out, Mason. This out.
Come on, boys. Come on, Red. Settle it.
You gotta clear it this way, guys. Come on.
Join the play.
Get it out of
Yes, Jack. Come on, Luke. Yes. Yes. Yes, Luke. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Hey, 21 red.
Oh, dear. Shake it off.
Lock somebody up, Red.
Jackson.
Lock somebody up, Red.
Find the jerseys.
Let's go, Red. Get it out.
Get it out, Nacho. Yes, McKees.
Go, go, go. Let's go, Red. Come on, Jonathan. That's it. Get your foot in. Go, Tris. That's it.
Yes, Tristan. Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Don't miss it. Oh, nice try, Luke. Oh, nice try. Mateo. Yes, Nacho, send it. Look. Look. Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Look, go, Luke. Oh. Jack, easy, relax. Marquis, go in. Oh no. Oh. Nice try, boys.
Way to go, Jack.
My voice is going this morning.
Let's go, Red.
Oh my God.
Let's get this one in, boys.
Keep moving, boys. Let's go.
Keep
Let's
dancing,
go, Red.
boys. Keep dancing.
Oh.
Keys.
Oh.
That's okay. Good try, boys.
Good job, Tristan. Welcome, Zachary. Oh, let's go, Zach.
Let's show up, Zach.
Come on, boys. Come on, Luke. Come on, Luke. Yes, Luke. Stay with him, Zachary. It's okay. Oh! Oh, it's out. It's out. It's out. It's out.
Way to go, boys. You can do
Nice
this.
try, Zach. Okay. Let's keep it there. Keep it out there. Be first to the ball, no foul.
Thank you. Whew.
Let's do the dancing again, boys. We got
Come on,
this.
Red. Let's go, boys.
Let's dance.
Oops. Yeah, ball. Oh, I thought it's their ball though. Is it? Corner! See? Yeah. Oh, good. Let's go, Jack.
Let's go dancing again, boys. We like to dance. Let's dance. Marquis, don't let them push you around, Marquis.
Oh! Oh no! Nice try! Good job, Jack! Welcome, Maxim! Let's go, boys! Mateo, Nacho! Nice! Look! Come on, boys. Nice, Mason! Oops.
Push, boys, you got this. Come on, Yellow.
Come on, Red! I got you. Oh, yes, Aiden! Woo! Come on, Luke! Luke! Run! God! Oh, no! Oh! Get it back! Don't stop, Luke! Keep it! Nice, nice. Nice, Mason, send it. Oh, Maxim. Oh. Yes, Aiden. No, yeah. That's fine. Oh!
Push up, Luke. That's it.
Mateo, Nacho. Nice. Aiden. Good job, Nacho. Yes, Nacho. Come on, Marquez.
That's it, Luke.
Yes, Mateo. Yes, Mateo. Yes, Maxim. Oh. Okay, out. Oops. Come on, I thought it was going out too. On in, Mateo. Yes, Mateo. Yes, Mateo.
Way to go, Max.
Don't stop, Luke. Don't stop, Luke. Marquez. Oh, Aiden Manon.
Come on, guys, get it out.
Good job. Oh, come on. Come on, boys. Aiden. On ball, on ball. Thank you.
Let's dance, boys. We got this. Let's go. Nacho. Nacho, Nacho.
Yo, no. Woo! Boys! Woo! Whoa! Good job, boys! Oh my goodness! Woo-hoo-hoo!
11:30. I almost lost my voice. Well done, boys. I'm proud of every one of you boys.
My voice is gone. Good job, boys!
I'm proud of you all, boys.
Good job, boys!
Man, I'm proud. We barely get any sleep and everyone is yeah, but it's definitely, oh yeah. But they split it in it to slow them down.
Bravo!